Just a project update on the Audi Coupe. Put the engine in a couple days ago, trying to figure everything out. Have a radiator off of a Honda. It's a B16, I guess, engine swap radiator that they use a lot of times on some Honda models. I only did the lower mount bracket so far. I haven't mounted the top of it in any way. It's a very, very small radiator. I'm not 100% sure it'll be up for it, but I don't have any coolant going to the turbo, and I also don't have a oil cooler that uses coolant. So I think that this should do the trick if I put a nice fan on the back side of it. And yep, there's where the oil filter lands with that relocation bracket, right there. Be easy to access from the bottom. Intercooler is on. I'm figuring out all the plumbing. You can see it's going to be a pretty nice direct shot from the turbo, intercooler, and then up here, just this elbow is going to point upwards, obviously, and go directly there. The diverter valve is going to go over here and then just jump straight up. I'm going to have to do a U-turn and put the air filter over here with the MAF over here as well. So there's not enough room up here for an air filter. So everything's coming along though. I use the same fuel pressure regulator I had on it before. I still have to make a downpipe, which should be pretty easy to do. Just 3-inch tubing I'm just going to use to kind of make something that goes down there. And yeah, it's all coming along. I think it's gonna hopefully be running maybe next week. So yeah, thanks for watching.